Girls, how are you? I hope you are healthy and safe. Today we will do short questions of chapter The Journey by Temsula Au. Now, the first question is, which place or region has been described in the story? So, which place or region has been described in the story? The story talks about the northeast and it describes the hilly region of northeast. The writer of the story, she belongs to Ao Naga community and maybe she refers to Naga hills. Why was the journey so difficult? Now the journey was very difficult. It was very difficult because the girl and her brother, they had to cross difficult hilly terrain. Moreover, they had to pass through jungles which were dense. They were full of wild animals, elephants, tigers that roamed in those jungles, and moreover they had even to cross some rivers and with the help of other people of the group. So the journey was very difficult. It was time of December, so they had to face chill of December also, as well as the difficulties of the journey. Do you encounter such difficulties while coming to college? I think no. Most of the girls, they come by bus, or they take auto rickshaw, or they come by foot or by cycle. So we do not have to encounter such difficulties as was encountered by the girl Tinula. Who is Winnie? Now Winnie is Tinula's friend. What does the story focus on? The story focuses on the journey that was undertaken by the protagonist of the story, that is the girl in the story. The first, she has to go from her missionary school to the village. That was a very difficult journey. Then she had to come, after spending her vacations there, she has to come again back from the village to back to the missionary school, and there she had to encounter lot of difficulties, dense jungles, hilly terrain, and has to cross the river also. The other journey that the story focuses on is taken metaphorically by the girl Tinula when she faces a very bitter remark by her friend Winnie, and this bitter remarks makes her realizes that the barriers in life are not only physical, but they are also man-made. They are made by men when they feel jealousy, when they have hatred, and other barriers that can come in relationship. So all these themes are the ones that the story focuses on. Now they are short questions. Discuss the relevance of the title of the story. So this question, discuss the relevance of the title of the story. It is both short and you can also have it as a long essay type question. So we will combine both, and then the answer should be how you will write. You will say that the story focuses on the journey that was undertaken by a little girl, an adolescent girl who is 13 years old. Her name is Tinula, and she has to go to her village from a missionary school. The journey is very difficult, and then after spending the vacation she comes back to the missionary school, but the journey that she undertakes with her brother Tenzemba is very arduous. On the way they have to negotiate a very steep hilly terrain. The girl is not used to it, so she has to she has to face many difficulties. The other members of the group, they are very fast. The brother tells her that she should also make haste, otherwise they will lag behind, they will be left behind by the group, and on the way they can encounter wild animals of the jungle and other difficulties also. So, and then they have to cross a dense jungle. The brother finds that there were elephants, a group of elephants, a herd of elephant that was there before them, but an old wise lady tells them that they have already left. Then they have to cross a river also. The girl has to be hoisted up by her brother and other member of the group, so she was able to cross the river. So all these physical difficulties she faces, while coming from her village to the missionary school. But in spite all these difficulties, after reaching the school, she is asked by her superintendent to sleep besides a girl. The girl is Tinula's friend Winnie, and but Winnie makes a very bitter remark about a boy Hubert and calls her Tinula's boyfriend. The way she makes the remark is very hurtful. Tinula realizes that barriers in the life are not only physical ones, but they are man-made. These barriers, the origin of these barriers is the hatred and other emotions that a man has, and these mental barriers are the ones that are very difficult to cross. So this bitter remark by her friend takes this girl on a different journey that she takes on. So the title, the journey, is very relevant. The other question is, how does the story bring out the importance of the efforts of community in helping an individual? So this is the story portrays the role of a community in helping an individual, where both the boy and the girl, they could not have come to the missionary school if there would not have been the other members of the group along with them. The members of the group not only prepared food, there was a ration that was carried by each member of the group, and they put a cup of rice in the big cauldron that they carried with them, in which food was made. The ladies in the group, they helped Tinula in many ways, and not only that, the girl crossed the river with the help of her brother and other member of the community. Moreover, the hilly terrain was very difficult. They had to cross jungles, rivers, so it was not possible that a single individual could do that. It was only through the help of the community that the girl was able to go to the missionary school. When she reached the plains, and they reached there at the railway station at 12 o'clock in midnight, there was no vehicle there. So the brother of the Tinula's brother, he became very worried. How would they go to school? But a man who had an ambassador car, he helped them and left them there in the school. So community plays a very important role in individual's life. And then the other question is, assess the brother-sister relationship as described in the story. So this is there is a very heartwarming relationship between the brother and the sister. Both the brother and sister, they love each other. The brother helps her in many ways. He carries her tin trunk. He tells her that she should not waste food because it is very difficult to find food and we should not waste it. And he very lovingly brings a cup of tea and cold singara when they are in the railway station. And when they reach the school, he takes the girls to the superintendent, and when the superintendent tells him that he should now go, he leaves very quietly. So there is a very heartwarming relationship, a very good bond that is shared between the girl and his brother. The brother is silent, he doesn't speak much, but there is a lot of love that we can see among them. Thanks girls, and if there is any problem, you can contact me personally.